Hey guys, I'm from Blackpool Honda here. Here we have our white orchid Civic. This car does come with piano black 17-inch alloys. Of course, these have just been refurbished, so every single one is in perfect condition. We've got body coloured door mirrors. Of course, just in case, I will go into each and every alloy just to show you what condition they're in. We've also, with this being the sport model, we do have the reversing camera on the rear, which is just here, as you can see. In the boot, we have plenty of room. Of course, when you do fold the seats flat, they do fold flat in level with that bit there. Of course, to ensure more privacy, we do have your pull across slider there. Of course, that teams up with this just to ensure a bit more privacy in the boot area of the vehicle. Moving around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. Of course, in the rear of the vehicle, we do have cloth black seats with Isofix mounting points and automatic rear windows. In the front, we do have all 4 controls for the windows, all of which are automatic. Window lock, central locking, electric adjustment, and of course, power fold. Inside the vehicle, we do have an electric handbrake with brake hold. We also have your Econ and of course your automatic gearbox. We've got dual climate control, which can be operated via the touchscreen display. Of course, we do have satellite navigation, Bluetooth hands-free, and of course on your audio, your various sources. All of this is controlled via these buttons on the left hand side just here. This button controls your onboard computer, as you can see, just there. On the other side, we have your cruise control and speed limiter. We have automatic headlights and windscreen wipers, and of course this car has done 21,997 miles. Moving back outside now, and showing you the last remaining alloy just there. We do have LED daytime running lights in this car. And of course, if you require any more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to get in touch with the dealership, and one of our sales team will provide you with a personalised video of this vehicle. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.